to show you how to install MyKeyPremium Remote Start on the Kia Stinger. You could order this product on MyKeyPremium.com. I'll drop the link down below for you. What I like about this product is that it's very easy, simple, and quick to install it. You don't have to cut any wires, and you get to use the original key fob. You don't need anything extra. So in this package, you're gonna get a module and set of wires. It's a T harness. It has a male connectors and female connectors. What we're going to be doing is we're going to disconnect some wires from your car's module, connect them into here, and on this side we're going to be connected into the car's module. And once you're done with that, then we're going to connect it to the module that you got from this package. First things first, we're going to remove this panel right under the glove compartment. And to take this panel out, it has 3 clips, one here, one in the middle, and one on the right side. All you have to do is just squeeze them and pull it out. And now they have this little connector that connects to a LED light. Just squeeze it in and pull it out. There you go, the panel is out. So we're going to be working with these 3 connectors, red, blue, and green. We're going to disconnect them first, one by one. One is out, the second one is out, and the third one is out. Now we're going to connect these 3 connectors into the connectors that you got from the kit. Green with green, just like this. Make sure it's all the way in. Red with red, and blue with blue. So now you're gonna have the other sides of these connectors. We're gonna plug them back into the car's module. And last one, just like this. Now before you connect the module, make sure you have this set up on your dip switches. On the red side, the 1, 2 are up, 3, 4 are down. And on the black side, all 4 of them are up. First things first, we're gonna connect this connector, and the power goes last. Just like this. And just in case if it didn't work for you, unplug everything and plug everything back in. That usually does the trick. Sometimes the connectors don't see well and it causes the problem for you. Once you finish installation, all you have to do is just press the lock button twice with one small interval. Just like that. And here you go, the car started. Once in the car is still running. All you have to do is press the brake pedal, put in gear, and you're good to go. MyKeyPremium also offers a cool function, automatic door lock and unlock. Once I approach the car, the door should automatically unlock itself. And once I leave, the door will lock itself. I'll show you how to activate it and deactivate it. To activate or deactivate the automatic door lock and unlock, all you have to do is just press the brake pedal, hold it, and press the lock button on your key fob with one small interval. Just like this. Now the function is activated. And to deactivate it, you have to do the same thing. Press the brake pedal and press the lock button twice on your key fob. Just like this.